Yuncheng Medical's disposable and rental and ligature saver includes a gum body, rubber band, banding device, and rectiscope. Window negative, pressure connector, negative pressure switch, firing button. Ensure the digital display on the window reads as E. Connect the external gas source. Turn off the negative pressure switch. Wait until the negative pressure value reaches 0.08米1个 pascals. Then press the firing button to release the elastic line. Remove the first elastic wire rod to tighten the elastic wire. Finally, about 5 millimeters away from the root of the hemorrhoid node, cut the elastic wire with surgical scissors. Attach the banding device and remove the rubber band. Insert the rubber band into the banding device. Remove the banding device. Press the firing button